Hi, I'm Austin, service technician with Dry Zone Basements. Would you like to take a ride along with me today? More or less like why I like service. I guess I like the problem solving aspect of it. We are a repair unit, but not only are we a repair unit, we're like a saving grace. I mean, as far as reputation, I mean, overall, I mean, we make sure everything is clean and healthy and make sure that the system runs. You want to be able to check the seals. You want to be able to get a good eye on it, on the breather holes. You want to clean the breather holes, disconnect the check valve so we can see if there's any sediment and blocking on the check valve on top. You want to be able to take the things out and put it back in nice and clean and tight. Take the time, break it down, take it all apart. What we're doing right now is we're just getting everything set up so we can run a flood test. Now that we've cleaned out the entire inside of the pump, make sure everything's runs, functions properly, make sure we have a proper discharge. We want to reassure that the work that we did here today is crystal clean, everything's back together and good, everything functions. One and two, clean as a whistle. That's that. Don't forget, it's a common mistake. There's a 9-volt battery in here that needs changing at every service visit. We're going to put the unit into a maintenance cycle. We're going to check the ambient temperature and we're going to check the coil temperature, make sure everything is on point. And we're also going to switch into a new filter of the Dry Sedona. All right, yeah, that was an average day, ride along, service technician in Dry Zone Basements. And if you ever were considering being a service technician or had any questions about it, then you can reach out to us and we'd be happy to answer and bring you for a ride along.